This is a traffic stop in Pittsburg, California. Oh, pulling them out. Uh-oh.
Why are you checking me for weapons? We're gonna go around this. What are you searching me for weapons? I got pulled over for a traffic stop. I'm not on parole or probation. So let's start the sobriety test. All right. Because all this, no, that you know, I've done this before. You don't search me to sobriety test me, bro. You don't search me to sobriety test me. Okay?
We'll get over that
so
in a second.
Tell me what you want me to do. Where you want me to walk? What line?
Are you gonna be good? Walk in, do anything, and no shoot.
You shouldn't take a sobriety test. Tell them to give you a breathalyzer and get on your way. They keep you here for a fucking hour doing this test. You don't have to take that test.
I don't, huh?
Nope.
I'm not.
You want your door shut?
So what you want? You know I'm not drunk. You know it ain't no drink. You sobriety test me because you smelled weed. So what's okay? Well, okay. So what's the sobriety test for marijuana?
I want you to see what you're at.
Yeah, no, dude, don't even do that. Don't even do that.
What is the sobriety?
They're trying to hem you up. They got nothing on you.
And what is that?
Well, I'm gonna say look your eyes real quick, and then if you want to walk around, you walk
I got a
around.
lazy eye, so you're gonna
Don't-
be looking at my eyes.
No, don't even show them your eyes. Tell them fuck off.
There's nothing to do.
All right, so what do you have to do?
Okay, so all I need you to do is go ahead and put your heels together. Arms
Don't do it, dude. All he's doing is collecting evidence against you. It's not gonna, none of it is in your favor.
my right hand, eyes, and that's it. All right, you say you had a lazy eye? Which eye was that? This one?
Don't answer any questions either.
Okay.
You're just making his case.
Ophthalmologist or anything like that? Okay, confirming you don't have any contact. Okay.
Don't stop the pen and try to act like, oh, I'm moving faster than you. Don't do that.
Just stop doing the test, dude. Don't take this
You
test.
said, whoa, back here, like I'm moving faster than you.
Your eyes.
All right.
Yeah, it's whatever he
I have a
says.
lazy eye, so guess what? That means one of my eyes refocused on it. All right, so, all right. But it's been doing that this whole 5 seconds we've been doing this, bro.
Something that you.
What are you looking for?
He's looking for a reason to take you to jail. That's what he's looking for. He don't have one right now, or he wouldn't be doing all this. You can call this test off at any time too. Say, I'm done.
Tilt your head back and close your eyes.
And then after that, I'm going to say start. When I say start, you're in that position, 30 seconds to pass. When you do 30 seconds to pass, shut that door, open your eyes and say stop. Do you have any questions, sir? Go ahead and check back. Close your eyes and start.
I probably was counting a little bad. I was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vision, invisible line, bro. Come on.
Don't take this
We got
test,
lines.
man.
We don't gotta make believe.
Just shut 'em down.
We got lines. What the fuck? Like, come on. We ain't gonna make a fucking line. Oh yes, then you gonna be determined where the fuck it was at. I don't even want to do it no more. What now?
There you go.
I'm done, bro.
Please back it up a bit.
All right, how about that? Safer? Why you got your hand on your gun, man? You feeling threatened?
What's going
Come on, I'm playing with you, man. Kinda. Cuffing him now?
What limited test? Where did I mess up the test at?
He's arresting you?
He's arresting me for DUI.
See, don't take that test, man.
No, but I didn't fail no test.
There's no pass or fail.
Huh?
There's no pass or fail.
What you mean is
Yeah, it's all up to him. There's no pass or fail. He just decides. Call it. Say it. I'll hear it.
Phone out of my car.
Say again. I
I
gotta
need to call somebody. Call
Okay.
my phone.
call your phone.
No, get my phone out of the car, please.
Get your phone out of the car. They're not gonna let me reach in your car. They're not gonna let me reach in your car. They're gonna tow your car right
Hey,
now.
look, call 510
Say it on the. I'll hear it on the recording.
510-988.
I want you to back up, man.
All right. I'm just getting his number. Okay.
You can hear, right?
Well, I mean, if he'd just yell it.
It's also recorded.
You guys are dragging him further and further away.
Right, but you have,
Now he's in the car.
you're,
I just want to get the number for him. Whenever you're
right
ready.
in between here.
Whenever
You
you're
mind
ready.
stepping back like I asked?
Yep. Oh, here again. More?
Appreciate you.
All right. So,
Y2, we have one detained for DUI. He's in custody.
I'm gonna go around here. Okay. Don't be scared. That's good, right? We're good. We put up some tape or something.
Whatever you want to use it, bro.
All your items on the car.
What are you doing, dude? What are you arresting that guy for? He ain't fucked up. What are you doing right now? Of all the people, too. They made you a fucking corporal? Ugh. From all them DUI that didn't get any drunk drivers? Those DUI checkpoints that you run? Now they're going to do a search of the car. Oh, poor guy. I told him not to take the fucking test. Just remember, these guys aren't here to make friends. They're here to take people to jail. Don't fucking talk to them. Certainly don't let them fucking give you a field sobriety test or consent to search your car. He's getting his car searched now because he's under arrest. So now he's going to get probably an open container as well. Just made it worse. Had he refused the test, he'd probably be on his way. Make sure he's not planting anything. fuck you doing on his phone? Is that yours?
It's my phone.
All right. No, I don't trust you. You're kind of
I don't
weaselly.
trust you either, Willie.
You're kind of weaselly. Don't trust me either?
I don't.
Give me a good thumbnail. How about thumbs up? Say share, like, and subscribe. Come on. So, in review, kids, don't take field sobriety tests. Walk your way right into a jail cell. I mean, that, and look, that guy, we watched what he did, the couple of exercises he did, he looked fine. They took him anyway. Vigilante out.